Today we're going to be talking about a home cordless clipper slash trimmer from a professional barber's perspective. Brio was kind enough to send us the Beardscape V2 along with a couple different accessories that I'll go over as well. And although I am getting paid to make this video, I'm going to be giving you a completely honest review of this machine to help you decide if this is the right clipper for you. So this tool is definitely catered more towards home personal use, but the fact that Brio is confident enough to send this out to me, a professional barber, just goes to show you that they really stand behind their product. Because if it's good enough for a barber, it's probably good enough to use at home, right? Before we get into it though, let's give you an overview of this machine. This is the Brio Beardscape V2. It has an adjustable ceramic blade that can be adjusted from 1 to 1.9 millimeters, which is great for achieving that 5 o'clock shadow look. It's got 5 speed settings ranging from 5,000 RPMs to 7,000 RPMs. The blade is also interchangeable, and Brio actually has multiple blades for different needs. More on that later. So the standard blade has a ceramic blade and it helps it cut through thicker hair while keeping it cooler as well, while helping the machine also be quieter. So it comes with these double-sided guards, and it also comes with a charging dock for your convenience and aesthetics. It also has this handy screen here to show you all the information that you need to know. And again, the motor from this thing ranges from 5,000 RPMs to 7,000 RPMs. So this clipper costs $148.95 Canadian, or about $120 USD. And I do have an affiliate link that if you decide to purchase this tool, you can save some money and also give me some commission as well. So that's dope. How good is the Brio Beardscape V2? Not only are we going to clean up beards with this, but we'll also do some fades as well, just to show you what this machine is really capable of.
Don't wanna be a one-man woman. Got me stranded like a boat in the sand. Just the thought of not spreading my wings drives me crazy.
So the V2 has pretty decent ergonomics. It's lightweight, it's slim to hold, it has some rubber grips on the side so it doesn't accidentally slip out of your hands. And I actually cut my own hair, and so this was pretty comfortable for me to use on myself as well. In comparison to pro barbers tools that I use, it's not the greatest in terms of ergonomic grooves for all day use or anything, but for home use, it's perfectly fine. Instead of a standard lever, as all my daily tools have, this machine has a switch to change the blade length. Now, from my perspective as a barber, switching between each length is harder, and it makes a beeping noise every time you change it. But that's because for me as a barber, I need to be efficient as I'm cutting clients all day. And for home use, this is a good design choice. This helps to prevent any unwanted changes on the blade. So if you have it set to your preferred length, you won't accidentally change it. And if you somehow do, you'll hear a beep to warn you. The standard blade that comes with this actually cuts pretty well. It's been able to give me a smooth fade, and it hasn't bogged down or pulled any client's hair, which is a great sign. And the blade is quiet, which is a huge plus. And you'll definitely be able to achieve a great fade with this if you know what you're doing. Brio sent me the snap blade, so I ended up using that much more. It uses a magnetic snap system and better quality guards that made the machine perform even better. I really did not like the standard guards. I found they pushed hair away, making it a little bit harder to cut hair. I also think they have really pointy ends that feel like they're kind of stabbing your head sometimes if you're not careful. They're definitely still usable if you're careful, but the snap blade and guards are definitely better and matches the overall quality of the machine. I really love these magnetic guards to ensure that it won't fall off and you won't mess up your hair or your beard at home. I also like how the guards are double-sided. They have 2 different sizes on one guard, which I'm surprised that this isn't as popular of a design on like professional tools that I use. Although I do wish that the standard clipper guards that I have fit on the blade. Honestly, I think that out of the box, the machine should just come with the snap blade system and those better guards. My last note about the guards is that I wish it followed the traditional number system on them rather than just showing the millimeters only. In my experience, it tends to confuse the clients when they come for a cut, because they'll say, oh yeah, I want a number 2 on the side, but they mean 2 millimeters. But to me, I have a number 2 guard, which is actually equivalent to 6 millimeters. I'm pretty sure in the package, it comes with a little piece of paper that kind of explains that, but I'd like to see that on the actual guards themselves. So the blade that it comes with and the snap blade are meant for taking the hair shorter and fading. It's not really meant for cleaning up your beard lines. So the company does offer the 0 blade to solve that. And now the 0 blade cuts all the way down to a 0.2, so it's very short. It's not adjustable. I tried lining up with a client with it, but honestly, it's just nowhere near as precise as my other tools I use day to day. So it's just not up to my standards, so I stopped using it. So what it is great for though is doing bald fades and making my first guideline and debulking the hair down to close to skin, close enough for my foil shaver to go through. So this will not cut it down all the way to skin like a foil shaver would, but again, it does cut it close. So the 0 blade is definitely good enough for home use to clean up your lines and underneath your neck, but for me personally, I wouldn't use it day to day for my clients for lining up. I have much sharper trimmer blades for that. The motor on this thing is great. It's quiet, it's powerful for most of your home needs for your beard and your hair. It was strong enough for a lot of different textures that I see in my day, and I mainly just used the strongest RPM possible, the 7000, which was great. If you wanted to save on battery life, you could use a slower speed. Speaking of battery life, the battery life on this thing is really good, honestly, especially for a home use type of trimmer. I use clippers that last most of the day, but that's because I need it to. I cut hair all day. I need that battery life. For people at home, the 4 hours of runtime is plenty to get the job done. And honestly, you'll probably end up charging this like twice a year, if that. Just so you know that the higher RPMs you have it on, the more battery life it uses, which is shown on this screen. So also, it's very convenient that this comes with a charging dock. Some pro clippers that cost way more don't even include that. One thing I do recommend is that you keep the charging dock unplugged. You don't really want your clippers to be charging 24/7 because that's gonna cause some issues down the road. And I do that for all my clippers, not just this one. I'll only plug it in when I need to actually charge it. And the V2 actually does have Type-C charging, which makes it great for travel and home use. Everything uses Type-C nowadays. So Brio also sent me this protective sleeve for travel, which is great. You would just take your clipper, and you would just slide it on like this, and boom, now it's nice and protected. It's not gonna get damaged while you're traveling. And also the snap blade system, it comes in this little case, which is very, very handy. So pretty much these two things and a blade would be all you need to travel with. You can put this in a little bag or something, or in a pocket. This machine also has a travel lock, which makes you have to press the power button for 5 seconds before it turns on, which is a really nice feature. You won't accidentally have this running in your bag and wasting battery life and potentially damaging whatever's around it. So to me, where this machine falls short are definitely the guards. I think if this came with the snap blade and the snap guards, it would have been a much better overall package. The fact that you have to buy the 0 blade separately for your lineup work and shaving is a little bit of a letdown. If it came with that, this would make it a complete tool set for all your home care needs. Even if they raise the price, this would be like a great option as your kind of everything all-in-one machine. Overall though, as it stands with the current package and everything, I think this is a great tool for home use. It'll be able to do pretty much everything you need it to. It can clean up your hair, trim up the length, shape it up, fade it, and if you purchase the 1 blade, it'll be able to line you up as well. All with just 1 tool. It's got excellent battery life, especially for home use. The motor is quiet, but also pretty powerful, even for my barber standards. And it's not quite catered for pros. There's certain features that it's missing that they could have gone with, but I am able to achieve professional results with this machine either way, aside from lineups. Yeah, I think for the price, it should come with at least a 0 blade and better guards, but as it is, I don't think you would be disappointed, and it would definitely get the job done. And again, you could save some money with my discount code and affiliate link in the bio. I would definitely consider this tool a premium consumer machine. I don't think it's quite professional quality, but it's definitely on the higher end of consumer products, and I definitely think that you would be happy with your purchase. Thank you, Brio, for sending this out, and thank you guys so much for watching this video.